Hello guys, for this video, our topic for today is Chapter 1, Introduction to Python and Computer Programming. Lesson 1, Understanding Compiler and Interpreter. Compilation, the process of translation source code written in high-level programming language into a lower-level language such as machine code that can be executed by a computer. And interpretation, an interpreter with programming line by line, reading every expression and give output if the program is correct. These are the advantage and disadvantage compilation. Advantage, the execution of the translated code is usually faster. Only the user has to have the compiler. The end user may use the code without it. Disadvantage, the compilation itself may be very time consuming process. You may not able to run your code immediately after amendment. Next, interpretation advantage and disadvantage. Advantage, you can run the code as soon as you complete it. There are no additional phase of translation. The code is still using programming language, not the machine one. This means that it can be run on computer using different machine language. You don't compile your code separately for each different architecture. Architecture. Next, disadvantage of interpretation. Don't expect interpretation will run your code to high speed. Your code will share the computer power which the interpreter so it can be really fast. Lesson 2, Introduction Python Programming. What is Python? Python is widely used interpreted, object-oriented, and high-level programming language, which dynamic semantic used for general-purpose programming. What is Python do? These are the Python do: build website, software, automate tasks, and conduct data analysis. Python goals: an easy, intuitive language just as powerful as those the major competitors. Open source so anyone can contribute to its development. Python is easy to use than to other language. Python is very friendly. Python is easy to learn than to others. What are the main kind of Python? The main difference between Python 2 and Python 3 include changes in syntax, print statement, division, behavior, Unicode support, and overall support and development focus. It's important to note that Python 3 was introduced as an improvement over Python 2, addressing various issues and providing a more modern and consistent language. For new project, Python 3 is recommended as existing projects on Python 2 should recommended and existing projects on Python 2 should consider migration for continuous support and security